everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. After many razors my husband has used, this is by far his favorite. Let me show you why. If you're looking for a great shave at a fair price, then definitely go with these Harry's razors for men. My husband has been loving everything about this. They are great to either use at home or when you're traveling. These razors have 5 blades, which allows you to have a very close shave, and it even has a blade on the top so you can get those difficult areas as well. You're going to see that this razor has a minimalist design, but at the same time it's super functional. It has a non-slip grip, and it also comes with a travel blade cover. My husband loves everything about this razor and he highly recommends it. With that being said, if you're looking to get a great shave at a fair price, then definitely go for these here, but that's just our point of view.